everyone, this is Emily from myclosetracks.com, and today I'm going to do a quick review of the Louis Vuitton limited edition Crafty collection. And I also am doing the unboxing of the Neo Noir in the red and black color scheme. At first, I didn't really like this collection just from seeing it online. I thought it was a little too busy, a little bit in your face, but I just got the bag today and I actually am liking it a little better than I expected. So let's see what this looks like. Apparently I'm super lucky I got a box because there's like a great Louis Vuitton box shortage of 2020 going on right now. All right, here it is. Here's what the front looks like. Side, the bottom, and the interior has a zippered pocket with the Crafty print on it as well. The strap is black and white monogram, and it has gold hardware. So I really do like this bag more than expected. I honestly think it's a great summer to fall transition piece because of the color scheme. And I did not think it would match with many things, but you know, red, black, and white, you can actually match with quite a few outfits. So I was happy with that. In this collection, there are a ton of different bags. They've got the Alma, the Pochette Métis, they've got the Twist, they've got the Speedy 25, which I really like because I like the smaller Speedies. And of course, the On The Go. I hate the On The Go bags, and I know people love them. Now, that is my least favorite item of this collection. First of all, if you get the leather version, it is $4,100 plus tax. That's insane. I'd rather get 2 canvas items from the collection than get that large, overbearing, leather expensive bag. Luckily, it also comes in the canvas, and I believe it's around $2,800, which is a little bit more palatable, but still, it's a pricey bag. The other piece in this collection that I just wasn't a big fan of is the Alma. And I think it's because of the base of the handles with the little kind of spiky, crafty detail, as well as the charm. I think it's just a little bit juvenile. It's super in your face, and it's $3,300. One piece I would love to get my hands on, and that is always really popular, is the Neverfull. And it comes in the caramel color scheme as well as the red and black. And I think it's just a really good value. It's $2,170, and that includes the little pouch inside. And it's something that you're probably going to use, going to reach for. It's a very practical bag. And everyone already has a monogram Neverfull. You know, they're super common. You see them everywhere. But if you have a limited edition one, you're going to kind of stand out. You're going to have something different than everyone else. I also am obsessed with the Keep All 45. And I'm glad it's a 45 and not a 50 because I do enjoy a little bit of a smaller bag. But that is the perfect travel bag because you don't have to match your travel bag to your outfit every day. You know, it's kind of a standalone piece. It's going to look really good by itself. And even though it is a little bit busy, it's kind of crazy, it looks really cool. I also would love to get a couple of SLGs. If you're not totally sold on this collection or you really like it, but you don't want to spend that much money, I recommend getting the toiletry or cosmetic case or a wallet so you can, you know, have that aesthetic that you like, but you're not shelling out a ton of money for something that you might not like down the road. I want to know what you guys think of this collection. Do you love? Do you hate it? Do you own anything? Have you been trying to get something you haven't been able to get it? I want to know. Leave it in the comments below and subscribe to my channel if you like videos about designer bags, unboxings, reviews, and things like that. And give me a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much.